from the team that brought you the award-winning smash hit, Cascadia, are two exciting new flip and roll and write games for the whole family. Cascadia Rolling Rivers and Cascadia Rolling Hills are set in the majestic landscape of the Pacific Northwest. These are standalone games based in the world of Cascadia, winner of both the 2022 Spiel des Jahres Game of the Year and the 2021 American Tabletop Award for Strategy Game of the Year. Designed by Randy Flynn, illustrated by Beth Sobel, and developed by the Flatout Games CoLab, these two small box games play 1 to 4 players on their own, but can be combined to play up to 8. The core mechanics of the games are simple. Players roll dice, take actions to manipulate the results, then collect wildlife in order to complete habitat cards to fill different environments in Cascadia. Each round, one player rolls the 4 central dice, and all players roll their 2 personal dice in their own play area. Based on the results of both of these sets of dice, players can choose to use nature tokens to do dice actions to improve the results, and then collect wildlife by recording them on their tally sheets. Each version of Cascadia Rolling comes with a unique special central action die that provides different special dice actions so that each roll presents a new puzzle. Once players have collected wildlife using the dice, they will then decide whether they wish to complete any of the available habitat cards. They do this by subtracting the wildlife cost of their card from their tally sheet and then claiming the rewards of that card. Each round, cards will advance through the play area like a conveyor belt, creating new relationships between the habitat cards and the completion cards they are adjacent to for that round. Completion cards can provide discounts to the wildlife costs of the habitats or additional bonuses for completing them. Once a habitat card is completed, players check the size of the habitat and then fill in their environment sheet according to the unique rules of that sheet. Doing so will not only score you points, but also trigger combos where you can gain additional rewards and actions each turn. At the end of each round, a new habitat card will be revealed, and all the habitat cards will be advanced 1 space. That's all there is to it. The game ends when there are no further habitat cards to reveal. Each game, players choose which of the 4 environment sheets will be played by the group. Each sheet has unique gameplay elements and a complexity rating. In Cascadia Rolling Hills, you'll explore breathtaking open landscapes like the Palouse, Sumwalt, and Craters of the Moon. Cascadia Rolling Rivers includes 4 unique environment sheets for the Tatshenshini-Alsek, Fraser, Columbia, and Elwha rivers. With both copies of the game, cards and dice can be combined for greater variety and replayability, giving you many more ways to play. The family mode simplifies the dice action and completion card rules so that anyone can get into the game. Cascadia Rolling Rivers and Cascadia Rolling Hills are also excellent solo games. The rest of our previously released small box games have become popular because of their high-quality game design, product design, and overall experience. Cascadia Rolling Hills and Cascadia Rolling Rivers are no exception. These games will make great additions to any collection because they're easy to take with you, easy to get to the table, accommodate higher player counts, and provide a range of complexity for players of all ages and experience levels.
Hi everyone, I'm Sean Stankiewicz, co-founder and designer-developer at Flatout Games. We've got our entire Cascadia Rolling team on this call to tell you about this exciting project.
Hi, I'm Randy Flynn, designer of Cascadia Rolling. It has been really fun to bring the world of Cascadia to a flip and roll and write game.
Hello, I'm Fertessa Elise, and I've been a developer on both Cascadia Rolling Hills and Cascadia Rolling Rivers.
Hey all, I'm Rob Melvin, and I'm a founding member of Flatout Games, a developer, and I'm also focused on logistics for the project.
Hey everyone, I'm Dylan Mangini, and I'm the graphic designer for both games.
Hi, I'm Molly Johnson. I'm a co-founder of Flatout Games, and I'm supporting this project through development, editing, and the marketing of the games.
We absolutely loved Randy's clever design for a roll and write game system, and we're really excited about the prospect of evolving the design to create a new series of games.
Like all of our small box games, we designed the product with a few things in mind. Simple rules, quick gameplay, a small footprint, and lots of fun. We love roll and writes and knew this series would be a lot of fun to develop.
In these games, we've kept a lot of the Cascadia iconography and style, while incorporating all new art from Beth Sobel. We're so thrilled with how it turned out and can't wait for you to try it out.
The CoLab's core mission is to make games for gamers that they can share with their friends and family, and we know your friends and family will simply adore this one.
We're really proud of our growing catalog of games, which include Calico, Cascadia, Verdant, Point City, Deep Dive, Fit to Print, and Nocturne. We've had so much support over the years from over 45,000 total backers who have made our games a reality, and we've loved delivering super high quality products to everyone who helped us make them possible.
In 2022, Cascadia won the Spiel des Jahres for German Game of the Year and was the first crowdfunded game to achieve that honor. It's been exciting to see so many folks playing and enjoying Cascadia, and we can't wait for you to try this brand new game.
Our collaborative, or CoLab, model is to bring together a team of folks to make great games while sharing in the responsibilities and rewards of the process. We're still a very small company, and we're very excited to be launching this 7th crowdfunding project.
For these games, we've teamed up with AEG to get an early start on production, and the games are very close to being completed.
That means we can get you the games and the special Kickstarter promos in just a few months.
It's been great working on the games, and we can't wait for you to get your own copies to share with friends and family.
All we need now is your support to bring Cascadia rolling to tabletops around the world.
We have worked really hard to make these games the best they can be, and we think they're great, but you don't have to take our word for it. There are tons of folks who have played both games and are loving them. So check out the page below where you'll find out more about the games, the exciting plans we have stored for the campaign, and what people are saying.
Thanks so much for checking out Cascadia Rolling Hills and Rolling Rivers, and we hope you'll join us on the journey to making them a success.